Hi everyone, it's Saturday morning and I am meant to be on my way over to Steve Walford's, well I was meant to be on my way over an hour ago, but it is hammering it down. Now, I'm not scared of getting wet, what I am scared of is driving this car, which has got really dodgy wheel alignment at the moment, on wet and greasy roads because it's been so hot this week. So at the moment we're sort of hold fire. So far this morning I've done a couple of jobs already. I've put the new speedo sensor in that I needed to get the speedo to read more accurately, and I've just done a couple of other little tidying up bits that I wanted to do before heading over to Steve's, but at the moment I'm going nowhere. So hopefully this is going to back off, hopefully it's going to turn into a nice warm day and the roads are going to dry out a bit and then I'll head over. If not, it looks like it might be on hold until next week. But while I'm waiting for the rain to subside, although it's not looking likely, I thought I'd crack on with some more jobs. So first up is a new boot cover. So far then, I've just cut this piece of hardboard to the right size and just a little trim to make it around the roll bar. So I'll add some kind of piece of rubber on the underside of that so it sits flush and can't leak into the boot. I also bought this road sign that I really want to kind of integrate into this bit, so I need to work out quite how I'm going to do that. I want it to still look like it's an original road sign, so it's going to need some trimming probably to come past the roll bar, and then that will probably allow it to sit further down. I haven't quite yet figured out though how I'm going to have the boot cover opening, so again that might affect how I mount things on there, but yeah, just having a bit of a play, bit of a workout. Need to be able to put stuff in the boot and not risk it blowing away when I go to Wales in a few weeks. Made a bit more progress on the boot cover. I've gone through a couple of ideas of different ways that I want to do it, and this is what I've decided on. So this is what I'm going to go with. This panel, and this panel are just going to be fixed in place, and then this central one will open up. And to integrate my skid risk sign, cut off the corners so that it can go on the opening section, and also cut off a bit off the top, and then just put these bits of triangles just to go on those fixed panels. I think then when you look at it from here it looks pretty good. Just need now to decide how I'm going to cover it, because obviously I need to cover that hardboard, it's otherwise just going to get wet once and be destroyed. Probably going to put some vinyl wrap or something on it, I think that'll do, and then some edge trim around the edges, stick that in place, and should all be good. Put some hinges on, put a clip on, job done. So I decided how to finish the boot cover. I nipped out earlier and bought some bits from good old Hobbycraft, and this is how the boot cover looks now. So I've wrapped the hardboard just in a black vinyl wrap, and yeah, this is going to be how it's going to look. So these gaps here and here, I've got some edge trim that's got a seal on it, so I'm going to put that on there. And then around these edges I've ordered some more edge trim, a bit like the stuff I've used elsewhere on the car, so that'll be here in the week. So I'm not going to do anything else now on the boot cover until I've got the edge trim here, and can just see how that's all going to look, and then once that's on, stick the various bits down and put a hinge on the centre section. So I've got some piano hinge that I'll use for that, and also need to work out just a little latching system to hold it closed. That's going to be it for this video though, so thank you for watching, and as always, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Cheers.